Hello everyone, I'm Skylar. Today I will introduce our new AM supermarket anti-theft advertising machine. And here is our AM mini pencil tag with lanyard. Now I will show you how to use it. Okay, let's test it. And this is our another type of tag. The longest detection distance is 2.4 meters. This is our circuit board. This is used to adjust the sensitivity. And here is the alarm display times. The highlight of this product is its advertising display. Here is a USB port allowing you to switch different advertising contents. The integrated LCD screen displays new arrivals, bestsellers, current promotion exactly when customers interact with security point. If you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact me directly.